Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Samsung Galaxy M51, for the first you have to be logged into your Instagram account. After that you have to pick up the picture that you want to download. So I will take this one. And then we have to go back, enter the Play Store, and we have to get this application, the Repost for Instagram, from the Kimsey99. So when you download this application, you have to open it. And here's the instruction how we can save the pictures by this share button and clicking also by 3 dots in the right upper corner. So let's start with enter the Instagram, and I'm going to take this second option by clicking on the 3 dots in the right upper corner. Then we have to click to share and pick up the Repost for Instagram application. After that we have to go back to the app, and when we go for the posted, we can see here the pictures that we take from this post. So we can take off the signature, for example, and after that we can simply just save the photo by clicking right here, and we can do the same for the second picture. And we can also, after the save, we can take off these pictures from the application, and we are going to enter the gallery. And as you can see here, we got these 2 photos that we saved from the Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.